It's the most terrifying thing on earth. She was actually unconscious after it happened and was bleeding, and we were worried that she had died.
Leslie Miller's long-haired Chihuahua Aloha is blind in one eye after a brutal attack last month by an off-leash boxer in their local park.
He grabbed her whole head, and the vet later said that he was attempting to snap her neck.
And now her almost $3,000 in vet bills are piling up, and Leslie says the other dog has caused problems in the neighborhood before. She wants to hold its owners accountable.
We've found about 3 or 4 different owners that have had their dogs attacked who have seen her dog be aggressive.
After Aloha's attack, Leslie asked Animal Services to come out here and fill out a report. They said that they would ask the other dog owner to always use a muzzle on their animal. No fines were issued and no other information was given, citing privacy concerns.
We can't give the name, address, or phone number, no.
That's just terrible. So they're worried about her making sure it's fair for her when literally I have a dog who's now, lost her eye. I have $2,800 in vet bills.
Leslie has hired a lawyer who says she is entitled to compensation through small claims court. We put the question to a personal injury lawyer.
If their dog does go ahead and bite another animal or another person, then they're liable under the law for the actions of their dog. The victim does not have to prove any negligence.
But first, the victim needs to know how to get in touch with the offender. And getting contact information can be tricky and costly. Now Leslie has legal fees to add to her woes.
It's a privacy act. They can go through Freedom of Information through the City of Toronto and request the information.
Lawyers say the cost involved will differ for every case, and even though fighting for your dog's rights are mired in red tape, the success rate is high.
It just seems fair that the dog that was attacked would have more of the rights, and it just doesn't seem like it's that way right now.
Toronto Animal Services says you can get in touch with them by calling 311 if your dog is ever attacked, or go onto their website for a whole list of bylaws and more information about what you're entitled to as a dog owner. All that information's on our website, citynews.ca. At the East Mall Animal Shelter in Etobicoke, Safia Kambalia, City News.